bought
I'm going to do
one.
this once a week.
Yeah, we should.
More mystery bakes. The yellow sticker section I was in Tesco yesterday. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today we are carrying on with my money saving meal videos. Eating all the food I've had sitting in my house doing nothing. So it's a long running series at the moment. I'll link everything down below. Last week's video, a few days ago, I uploaded a video where I did a freezer sort out. And in that freezer sort out, we found so much more food that I had no idea we had. It was just sitting at the back underneath stuff. We've got chicken in there, beef mince, tons and tons of frozen fruit, like loads of stuff that has given me loads more meal inspiration this week. So that's absolutely fantastic because now I'm in a very motivated mood. Tonight's meal is using something I picked out the freezer and everything that I have just in my cupboard already. I've been running low on some things like spices and like kind of main things to go with the meal. So it's getting a bit more tricky. The only caveat to this is each week I do like an essential shop, lots of fresh fruit and veg, salads to go on the sides of our meals that I'm making from the freezer and the cupboards. At the weekend, I might buy some chicken breasts. I didn't this week, so that's good. That saved us money because we found chicken in the freezer. Then things like egg, oat milks, normal milks, things like that. Egg? I don't just buy one egg. I buy 12 eggs normally. So yeah, it's been going really well. Anyway, yeah, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this series so far, and let's just go straight into it. So tonight's dinner, if you watched my video last week, my husband and my son are back. They've just been out on a nice walk. It's been so sunny recently. Oh, Lawrence thinks I'm talking to him, but I'm talking to you guys. That's so embarrassing. You know, like when you wave at someone and I'm talking to...
Oh, sorry.
You noticed last week I found this chicken unopened in the freezer. I'm going to make one of my favourite dishes, and this dish is going to be something I'm also including in my future 5 meals for £25 videos from Aldi. It's my fragrant rice and chicken. It's a really affordable, delicious dinner, one that's very easy to make, and I'm going to start making it now because it's coming up to 4 o'clock. Takes about 40 minutes, I think. You see any cows?
We checked no, we didn't see any cows.
Okay, so we have veggies here ready. So 2 grated carrots, 1 chopped red onion. Here's the chicken. It was defrosting throughout the day, and we've added some vegetable oil to it. And then the spices and things we're going to be using is garlic, coriander, cumin, garam masala, paprika. I'm going to add some mango chutney onto the chicken in the last minute while the chicken's cooking. So first thing I'm going to do is soften the onion and the carrot, and then I can start cooking up the actual rice. That's going to go in the oven as well. Chicken is out, and then we just pour everything in here, like the sauce and everything, into the rice, stir it all together and eat it. It's gonna be good.
A little stir fry in there.
Oh, little chicken stir fry. If you watched my video last week, you will know I did the freezer clear out and I found an absolutely crazy amount of frozen fruit, didn't I? Crazy amount of frozen fruit. I couldn't believe how much fruit we have in our freezer, which was fantastic because now it's so warm outside. England is like having some kind of heat wave. It's really warm outside, so we're going to be having frozen fruit smoothies for breakfast. It's first thing in the morning and we have not tidy up. But Oren and I are about to go on a big hike because the weather is gorgeous and you had a little lay-in today. So we're going to get the carrier on and we're going to go on a big hike and see nature. And we're going to bring some birdseed and just scatter it around because I've got tons of birdseed in the house. So anyway, this Whizzer, you don't need anything special or super fancy. This one is over a decade old now. I actually took it from my mum's house when I moved out. A load of frozen fruit and water, basically. And then I always put like a thickener, like a banana or half an avocado in there. So I'm going to use banana today. I have opened it and given some to Oren while we wait for our smoothies. So because I add water and chia seeds, I actually add that into the thing first and then let that absorb for a while with the fruit before I blend anything. Yeah, I had a good amount of chia seeds to be fair. It's the same day now. This morning, just clicked on the Too Good To Go app. Now, I've done a Too Good To Go video before. I did it 2 years ago. Before COVID or?
Yeah, just before I think it was.
And so I'll link that video down below. Now, because we live in like the country, where there's not much around, there wasn't too much options. But this morning, I just randomly opened the app to have a proper look. And lots of things had sold out, but we've got so many more options near us.
Really?
Yeah, we've got like the Co-op.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so we're going to do the Co-op on our next week's video. It's like loads more places, which is fantastic. And today we've gone for Greg's.
It's it's like rolling a dice because, you know, you don't know how busy it's been.
Yeah.
I mean, the Greg's that we went to today was in the motorway services. So obviously you go on a day that they've been busy, you get a different selection to if it's not.
I'm going to leave all the information down below because I think it's an amazing app. Shall we go?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, can I just show you this? Because I actually might have this for my dinner.
Yeah, go for it.
Go for it. Heat to eat.
Yeah.
Chicken and stuffing baguette. So I don't know how much everything is. Does it tell you actually?
It doesn't, but I've got a bit of an idea because when I went in there, the bag wasn't ready. The bag and just started throwing stuff in. So
good.
I know that this here is more than the £2.50. That's about £3.50, £4.
Bag is paid for.
Right. I love jam donuts. Soph doesn't, but I love them. And these are with apple and raspberry jam, which sounds really interesting.
That does actually.
I am going to have at least one, maybe more, for breakfast tomorrow.
Oh, with the coffee. What else have we got? Oh my god, no, I want this.
I know this is £3.50.
This was £3.50?
Yeah, because I bought
I'm going to do this once a week.
Yeah, we should.
And we could like offer it to our neighbour.
Yeah.
Mexican chicken oval bite.
Yeah.
I might have to have that because I love the bread. It's like poppy seed bread. Doesn't that look so good?
Yeah.
A few bits for our lunch tomorrow.
Yeah.
And offer some to neighbour.
Yeah. I think so. Tandoori chicken
Oh my
baguette.
god, I might have to have that. This is so good.
I've got my eye on this.
All right, you can. Yeah, I knew you'd love that.
Or maybe the next one. All of these so far, I mean, I don't know the jam donuts. They're probably what, £1.50, £1.50. The weird thing about Greggs is the prices do differ as you go around the UK. So the prices that I saw in a motorway services
Will be more.
So that smells unbelievable.
That does look really good. Bearing in mind this is going to be our dinner tonight as well because it's dinner time. Char grill chicken oval bite.
Chicken, salad, tomato, cucumber, honey and mustard mayonnaise in a seeded roll. That sounds nice.
That does sound nice. Honey and mustard mayonnaise. It looks good. Do you know what? I've never had a roll from Greg. So this is some kind of steak bake.
Yes, you've got a steaky one, or it's a mystery bake.
That's a mystery bake.
Is it? Who knows?
More mystery bakes. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Donuts and oh my gosh. Okay, so 4 mystery bakes.
4 mystery bakes. We don't know what they are. I'd imagine we've probably got one of each.
That one smells
That's probably
cheesy.
a steak. We've probably got cheese and onion, or cheese and potato. What is it? Yeah. None of them look sausage rolly. One of them might be like a sausage and cheese.
That smells
and beans.
like beans. Yeah, that one. That's really nice.
Yeah.
Insane for £2.50.
Yeah. Donut. And we also have what is this? Is that like a Chelsea bun?
Chelsea bun.
Yeah. It's like a Danish with a
red cone
cherry thing.
Yeah.
Nice.
And 2 more donuts.
These are more like your kind of donut.
They are. They haven't got jam in. So strawberry looking one and a chocolate looking one. I'm literally
I think we've got probably
our money's worth.
Oh yeah. I mean probably what, 20 quid's worth? Maybe more.
Maybe more.
Maybe more.
Whoever's like a big fan of Greggs and you know like the average prices, let us know in the comments.
Yeah.
This stuff can be refrigerated and probably be okay for a day or 2. If it has dates on it, you know, be wary and stuff like that.
But use common sense as well.
Use your common sense, yeah.
Because a lot of these things they're being got rid of because there's big signs saying made today, and they can't sell it made today tomorrow, so they have to get rid of it. Do the tandoori chicken?
Yeah, if you want that for dinner. I want the Mexican chicken oval bite. Look at that.
It smells good, you know. You see, one of my favourite sandwiches is coronation chicken.
Oh my gosh, yours smells really nice. Do you like yours?
I do. I didn't get much sauce.
Oh, you didn't, did you? That is delish.
Try's that.
Right. I'm going to eat our dinner. And we'll see you again soon. We're going to sort some of this stuff out so other people that we know can benefit from it tonight. So we better get on with that. We are making another dinner from the freezer. So if you saw my freezer sort out video last week, I believe, we found some cod in there, which when is the date on that?
September last year.
Yeah, so obviously we bought it in September last year, so a very long time ago now. However, we make this really nice like cod, potato and veggie dish. We have cod like, yay! We have cod maybe, I think we've had it once together ever.
I know, it's mad really, because we both really enjoyed it.
Yeah, so it's a very rare thing for us to like buy anything like this, but we obviously fancied it last September, put it in the freezer. So it's been defrosted today, it's fine to cook now. So we're just going to have cod, veg and potatoes. And we've got all of those things in the house. We do.
Yeah, exactly.
And you're going to have a little bit, aren't you? Yeah, so Let's do that. How we do our cod, well, Lawrence does it actually.
I've only just started eating fish, let alone cooking it. But so I just get the fish and I rinse it off because I'm still a bit funny with fish. So I rinse it off and then pat it down, dry it. It's still like a bit sticky, and then I put some olive oil on it and some Cajun seasoning. This is a Tesco variety, but they do. That was very dramatic. But they do lots of. They do them in Aldi and all sorts, and it's so good. It's got like your salt. It's got a bit of sugar in it, but it's got like a really nice blend. And the Cajun cod is great. And then I'm gonna grill it. Show you.
It is delicious.
I don't know. Do we want to have normal potatoes, or do we want to use some sweet potatoes that are cubed from HelloFresh?
Normal potatoes.
Okay.
Yeah, normal potatoes. Right, let's go because it's getting late and this one's tired and hungry. Not bad for a thrown together meal. Whose is whose? Yours a bigger one. Dinner served, really not bad for a thrown together meal. The cod that we forgot about. Broccoli we actually picked up in the yellow sticker section in Tesco yesterday. And potatoes we always have on the side. And you are loving your broccoli. Huh? Anyway, we never do this, we've got the iPad set up because we're about to watch some of the Johnny Depp Amber Heard trial while we eat our dinner. Classy, huh? Classy.